Hey guys, got 3 new bikes for free today. I got an 1986 Yamaha TT225. Has really good compression. It's a 4-stroke. Like, it's pretty hard to push down. The only thing is it's missing its carb. Well, I have it, but it's gross and disgusting. So, but I guess a new one's gonna cost me like $600. Plus, I got a brand new tire that costed him $52.90. So I got all of that for free. Plus, I got an MX80. It doesn't have any compression at all, and it's just garbage. Has a front brake, back brake that doesn't work worth a shit. Doesn't have a clutch. Tires, haven't tried putting air in them, but yeah, it's a little 80cc motor. Plus, I also got, those two don't run, a 1981 Yamaha Honda CR80 Elsinore. Just gonna do a little startup video. Hope my neighbor who's sitting across the street there doesn't get too mad. Gotta bump start it. There. So that's my CR80 Elsinore. I got this also for free. It's not in the greatest condition, but it's still a nice little bike that I got for free. What I did was I cleaned up the carb. It looks brand new right now. I put in a new spark plug and put in new gas. Filled up the tires. The only thing that's wrong is the Kickstarter lever's stripped. My throttle thing is really wonky, but it still works. And that's it. Once I fix those two things, it'll be good to go. But otherwise, that's my problems right now. And good everything otherwise. For free, I was pretty happy. That bike runs already. It's a 1981. But yeah. Those are my bikes. I'm pretty sure Pimp and Pens will be interested to see this bike. So yeah, there it is. Okay, bye.